Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the beginner's Loveboxxx. So let's get started. So there's a variety of toys included in this beginner's Loveboxxx. It's perfect for couples or beginners who are perhaps not quite sure what to try at first. It includes a variety of toys with a beautiful pink theme. First up we have a gorgeous feather tickler. It heightens the senses of the skin, feels very silky soft and smooth, and is perfect for exploring kinky fantasies. We also have a pair of pink metal handcuffs with keys included. These are perfect for tying your partner up, and you can also release them with the button at the side. Adjust them however you wish. We also have rose petals which you can scatter across your bedroom or somewhere else to make it a little bit more romantic. We also have a lily vibrator. This is perfect as a first time vibrator. It's also got a curved design here to effortlessly help find your G-spot, and also has a flexible clitoris stimulator. The shaft is also flexible and made of a soft silicone material. Batteries are not included and you require 2 AAA batteries. To turn on, press the bottom button and the vibrations begin. To choose other vibrations, use the top button. To turn off, press the bottom button once, and it's now off. We also have a fun anal plug just here with a loop hole just here, so insertion and removal is easy. It has a pointy tip and is going to provide wonderful anal stimulation. We also have some fun Kegel balls. It also has a stretchy hole just here. This is to ensure insertion and removal is simple and easy. It's made of a soft silicone material, so it feels very soft when going in, and provides wonderful pelvic floor training and vaginal stimulation. And last but not least, an essential eye mask. It has an elastic back fitting and very silky soft material. And that is the beginner Loveboxxx. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.